these are the prototypes. Everybody's been asking about this stuff.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I want to make sure that we're delivering on what you guys need. So here is a 7300 pouch.
Ah.
With a 7300 in it.
With the 7300 in it.
Fully accessible on both sides.
Very cool.
Enough space to put for rails.
Yep.
And the ability to extend beyond. So you're not held up with rails.
Yes. So it all, okay. Keep going.
And that's cool, but that's not the cool part. So, get that behind here.
So it's all modular.
All modular.
Yep.
The most requested thing is, how do I get my laptop, my tablet, my anything? Well, here it is, the laptop sleeve.
It's underneath.
It's underneath. It is also removable. So if you don't need it, it comes out, so you don't have to carry unnecessary weight.
So all of this is just super cool Velcro that you can just. Very cool. Yes.
So you make it uniquely yours for your unique deployment. But here's the cool part. So this thing is designed in such a way that you can customize however big, however small you need. So once you put your tablet in here or your laptop, you simply bring it together, and this locks that size in place, and you're done.
Yeah.
And at that point in time, it's just accessing it from the top.
Right. Very cool. This yep.
It's an 818 bag. It works exactly like the 7300 bag.
All of this stuff. So in the future, all you need to do is design your modular stuff to whatever radios you need, and you can stick it in your backpack.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it can sit on the shelf like this.
Right.
And when you're ready to go out, you grab just all the things you need and go out the door with it.
Yeah. Very cool. That's a really cool system. So when are these? This is a prototype?
These are the prototypes.
Okay.
This will be out before the holidays.
Before the holidays.
The bags will be $30 like the 705 bag.
Gotcha. Gigaparts.com. Be looking for them before the holidays.
There you go.
Thank you, Jason.
No problem, guys.